the solution to this exercise, so you'll see we've set up the data, we've got what the annual growth in his investments and how long it takes to double. Then I've created 3 new series, okay, bad and good. So for now we're just going to create a chart. I'm just going to highlight all of that, leave this blank for now. We're going to insert, and we know it's going to be a line chart. So we've got that now. So that's okay, that's the chart. But remember, we want this first area to be shaded in red. Now it's a bit hard to see because of the horizontal axis. So I'm just going to right click, select data, and just tell it that the horizontal axis should rather look at whatever's written there. When I say okay, so we can now kind of see what we want. Now we know that it should be bad for the first 3. So I know that somehow we must shade it. So this axis goes up to 25. So I'm just going to go here and for now manually just type in 25, 25, 25. You'll see we get a line, and that's okay, I suppose. But we want it to be shaded, so I'm just going to right click on it, series chart type. And the one called bad, I'm actually going to change it to a column chart. Okay, so that's okay, I suppose. Let's just fill in here. We know that the okay, I'm just going to type a 25 there, and a good, we're going to type 3 25s here. Again, you can see we're starting to build it up. Let's just correct this. And we're going to say the okay must also be a column, and the good must be a column. Click OK. So we're kind of getting there. These are standalone columns. We actually need them to almost touch each other. So the first thing we're going to do, choose any one of them, format data series. I'm going to say I don't want any gap width. You'll see that still doesn't quite work, and that's because at the moment each of these series has got its own starting point. So we're going to say please overlap them completely 100%. So now you can see we're getting closer to what we want. Now this section here is bad, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this and say this color should rather be maybe a dark red. This is okay, so maybe we'll have a yellow. And this is good, so maybe we'll have a green.